So anyway, I didn't get to finish my live because I didn't, you learn things as you're messing with computers, and the video quit when I pushed stop screen sharing. Instead of just stopping screen sharing, it just quit. So anyway, I put my link. I'm going to put it below in the YouTube video too. And if you want to learn more about ClickFunnels, click the link. And if you want me to help you some with ClickFunnels, give me your link. Get on Zoom with me or Skype, screen share, and I'll show you some things there. What I know, I've been around ClickFunnels for a while, but yet this was the first funnel I built. But I did learn a lot, and I can teach a lot too about a lot of other things too. And I'm gonna do a video tomorrow night on GetResponse, because GetResponse is a question I've been asked about too. How do you do broadcasts, and how do you import lists and things of that nature? How do you make your links live and GetResponse? Well, I know how to do all that too. I know, doing them like on in the word processor. I don't know, other than Microsoft Word Processor. I don't know, other than right there on the page, what it'll do. I don't know if you take a page and share the document. I suppose that's what you can do, is take the page and share the document, and the document, what you turned into a link in there will work. But I don't know. I hadn't tried that yet. Don't see any need for it right at the moment, but you never know. One day I might. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you can see future videos. If there's anything in particular that you're interested in learning about, let me know that too. Okay? Y'all have a great day. Okay. I think we're live again. Don't know. It's kind of hard to tell from where I'm at. I'm going to show you what. I'm going to have to go to the other, go to Safari window to show you what ClickFunnels looks like from the beginning. And this is what the page is you'll come to whenever you go to the website, clickfunnels.com. Now this is what a funnel looks like also. All these things are put together and I'll show you this in a minute, one piece at a time, all the way down the funnel. And all it is a marketing message. And you can see you can put videos in it. Some of that one's autoplay. It just hasn't got any volume till you turn the volume on. Pretty much build it, and you can edit all the pieces of it, put in your pictures and whatever else you want to put in there, and buttons. So when you put in a button, it'll take you to, like this one here, start your 14-day trial now. It'll take you to the sign-up page for the 14-day trial. Now I know that you can just go straight there to the clickfunnels.com and sign up. You don't need me for nothing. But if you don't mind, I'd appreciate it if you use my link. I'll put the link below here, because I do get credit for this. And I'll show you here. This is my dashboard in ClickFunnels. So I've had 21 people sign up so far. I don't guess anybody's decided to sign up to ClickFunnels yet. But anyway, that's their choice. They can do whatever they want to do. But if you're going to do it, then use my link, please. Anyway, you go up here to ClickFunnels, this funnel, this part right here, and go down to funnels. And this takes you to where your funnels are. I'm going to show you the funnel we just built. It's called a one funnel away share funnel. The only thing I need to do is figure out how to change the name of that. But if you click on this, it'll take you to the funnel. And these are start out 7-step funnels. Now I didn't use but 2 pages of this, so you don't have to use all the pages in. This is the one funnel away challenge too. that I built this in, and this is the funnel for that one funnel away challenge. But let me show you how you do it. You come over, when you start this thing, you'll choose this what kind of page you want, and here they're already done for you. But if you're building a funnel from scratch, it won't be there like that. But you'll put all these things in. So you put what kind of page you want, and it'll have this thing pretty much blank here, and you go to edit the page. When it gets through loading, I'm going to show you some of the, and you see me, remember this little picture on the page there. Now on Safari, you can't see the top of that. Let me get Chrome up here and bring it up with Chrome. Let's go to Funnels. Pick this thing up too. Go to the one funnel away, share funnel. Go back to edit the page. See how much difference it is? You can see this whole top section, and see you can tell what's what. Now they change, I don't know what's going on with this computer. They change colors. There's sections. The green part is the whole box. You see, and then when you come in, they got rows, which you can tell a row runs from side to side, and elements. The orange things are elements. When you're going through the challenge now, he's teaching you how to use all these elements, and you can click on it like this, and it'll bring up a blue box, and then you can go through here, highlight it, or just backspace it, delete that, and put whatever you want to in here. Now you can do this on any of these things. You see, every one of them that has text will have this is an element box. You see, same with these things. See, an element box and another row, and then the button. And the button, you can choose what you want of these things. You can delete them. They got a garbage can. If you don't want their name, you can delete that. But if you want them to sign up, then you have to use something there just to capture their email. I guess technically you don't. They got ways where you can just put a button in, and then it'll bring up a box where you to sign up. We didn't do that this time, and I'm not real sure how to do that yet, but it's possible to be able to do that. And when you go up into settings here, you can go down to integrations, and you can integrate your autoresponder in case you have an autoresponder. Mine, this particular one's going to be added to my campaign and get response. And you got to remember every time you do something to save it. Now that was just the first page. You get to do each page this way, including the little disclaimers and stuff at the bottom. And you get done fixing the page however you want it, or if you want to come back, then you can go to the next page and do this one same way. Click on edit the page, and you see how all this comes up the same way. You got sections. Sections are the green. You can see how this section's smaller. I don't know why that thing keeps doing that. Sections are smaller. This one's a section, that one's a section. And then the rows, see the blue rows, and then the elements. Here's you got another section, and it's got an element inside of it, and it's all in one row. So it was a row with one element. This one here was a row with two elements. You can see the two elements because one of them's got something in it and the other one don't. Then you got another section down here. Let's see if we can have there. You can see that you just barely see the green lighting up on the outside with another row. And this one's got three sections in it. It's got that text, this text, this text. Let's see where that row ends, or the section ends. And then that one, 2, that's the row ending there. So it had 1, 2, 3, 4 sections in it. You come down and you got another row here. You can tell the rows because they're blue. Let's see. There's a row, here's a row, there's an element, there's an element. You can put borders around them. You can put videos in them if you want to put a video in it. Click on when you put in, usually they come from YouTube or Vimeo or one of those video places, and get your link and put your URL in here. Always remember to click save, because it won't save it until you click save. If you make a mistake and go back to your exit to page, then it's going to be back the way it started when you began. And all these things are put together this way. So all you need to do is be a little bit of a writer, and you can fill in all these sections. Now in the challenge, I'm going to show you a page that I didn't do anything with. So this makes it a little bit easier for you. We'll come back here. We'll go down here to the order form, because I didn't do anything with the order form. And you can see in the challenge, let's edit this page, how you have directions while you're to help you build your page. They get all these things. I don't know what in the world is going on, but you can see you come in here, and if you, whatever you want for your logo, you put in there. Your email and your support, all of these things. See, let me tell you, here's what you'll get. This is kind of how you want to lay out your funnel. And each one of these sections, you come in and you put the text in there according to what they show you. And that's the way it's supposed to be built. Your terms and conditions and privacy policy and all of that stuff too. One-time offer, there's a one-time offer. All of those things. So that, go to the next page. The next page is a one-time offer here. Also, there's I don't remember what they call the other one. So anyway, if you go past that page, because you got to click on to go past, it's not going to just show you these pages just because they're in the funnel. You got to buy whatever or click from the page before to the next page. It just kind of goes in sequence. And this is how you, and I'm pretty sure that if y'all have been there, I know you have, because you've seen these things around. Maybe you didn't know how they were built. And this is probably the most popular funnel building program there is. But this is how you build them. And you can see how you can do that. Write your own text and write your own copy. And even down for your logos, you can go to Fiverr or somewhere like that and get your logo made. But that's how you do funnel building, in case you didn't know. And here we are back to Facebook. When you go to screen share on Facebook, this is how it looks. And OBS looks like this too. Remember, it's obs.com in case you want to screen share. So anyway, I didn't get to finish my live because I didn't, you learn things as you're messing with computers, and the video quit when I pushed stop screen sharing. Instead of just stopping screen sharing, it just quit. So anyway, I put my link, and I'm going to put it below in the YouTube video too. And if you want to learn more about ClickFunnels, click the link. And if you want me to help you some with ClickFunnels, get on Zoom with me or Skype, screen share, and I'll show you some things there. What I know, I've been around ClickFunnels for a while, but yet this was the first funnel I built. But I did learn a lot, and I can teach a lot too about a lot of other things too. And I'm gonna do a video tomorrow night on GetResponse, because GetResponse is a question I've been asked about too. How do you do broadcasts, and how do you import lists and things of that nature? How do you make your links live and get response? Well, I know how to do all that too. I know, doing them like on in the word processor. I don't know other than Microsoft Word Processor. I don't know other than right there on the page what it'll do. I don't know if you take a page and share the document. I suppose that's what you can do, is take the page and share the document, and the document, what you turned into a link in there will work. But I don't know. I hadn't tried that yet. Don't see any need for it right at the moment, but you never know. One day I might. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you can see future videos. If there's anything in particular that you're interested in learning about, let me know that too. Okay? Y'all have a great day.